Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest innovation in robotics technology, the Figure 02 humanoid robot. Get ready to be amazed by what this robot can do. Let's dive in. Figure has just unveiled its latest humanoid robot, the Figure 02. As its name suggests, it's the successor to the Figure 01 robot introduced in 2023. The initial teaser video gives a polished look at the robot, reminiscent of consumer electronics product videos. It's sleek, it's futuristic, and it's ready to impress. Another video released Tuesday shows the robot's slow, bent-leg gait across a demo area in the middle of Figure's offices. In the background, two other robots can be seen carting totes, a primary application for many humanoid robots. The most notable addition this time is due to a long-standing partnership with OpenAI. This collaboration helped Figure raise a $675 million Series B in February, valuing the firm at $2.6 billion. Imagine the possibilities when cutting-edge AI meets advanced robotics. The explosion of neural networks has been a game-changer for the robotics industry, especially for humanoid developers. Humanoid robots can now work seamlessly alongside human coworkers on a factory floor. With the proper safety measures in place, Figure 02 is equipped with speakers and microphones to engage in natural speech conversations, thanks to models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. This means the robot can understand and respond to human instructions more effectively. These capabilities help humans instruct the robots and add transparency to what the robot is doing at any given time, enhancing safety and efficiency. Communication is key, especially for robots designed to move freely without safety cages. Despite their human-like design, it's important to remember that they are still large, heavy, and potentially dangerous. Speech communication, combined with vision and proximity sensors, ensures a safer interaction. Figure isn't alone in this endeavor. Other companies like Agility, Aptronic, and Sanctuary AI have announced similar pilots with carmakers. Even Elon Musk's projects, Grok AI and Optimus, are expected to converge soon. OpenAI has also invested in other humanoid robotics firms, such as Norwegian firm 1X. However, Figure has gained significant buzz in the industry, with support from tech giants like Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Intel Capital. Figure recently began pilots with BMW, debuting a video of an earlier version of the robot autonomously performing tasks on the floor using neural networks. The 02 robot has visited BMW Spartanburg, South Carolina facility for training and data collection. Communication is just one piece of what Figure calls a ground-up hardware and software redesign between the 01 and 02 models. The 02 robot features 6 RGB cameras, an onboard visual language model, improved CPU/GPU computing, and enhanced hands with 16 degrees of freedom. There are differing opinions on how closely robotic hands should mimic human hands. Figure has dedicated itself to using human-like hands for their dexterity and nimbleness, despite some criticism for over-engineering. While we don't have a timeline for a wider Figure 02 rollout, the company hints at broader applications beyond the warehouse and factory floor. Imagine having such advanced robots in your home in the near future. Figure's robot combines the dexterity of the human form with advanced AI to perform a wide range of tasks across commercial applications and, in the near future, the home, the company writes. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the Figure 02 robot? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.